Today we're doing a lot of site plan and elevation drawings, so it's something that I've done quite often, but look forward to learning more about the detail that goes into it from other architects. So.
We've all gone out of our comfort zones, expressed ourselves a little bit, tried different things. We learned from the experts, from our whole experience here, and we used what we were good at and adapted it to this whole experience.
So our concept for the pavilion is based on nature, and we're kind of using nature as a way to represent diversity, inclusivity.
We believe that young people having a say in the environment is vital, as we can help create a sustainable future that's all inclusive.
I think it's just an experience of a lifetime. You just have once in your life that you can work with beyond the box and just make a project as well, a pavilion in general.
And I think it's really cool to meet different people that are in this industry and can help us and guide us.
And it's just an amazing opportunity to develop our skills in this field. So yeah.
I would have to say the same. Meeting people has been very great. Those people have been kind and willing to answer any questions that we have as well.
I'm enjoying the program's accessibility and the fact that I'm able to travel to a new place, to places I have never been before.
Just travelling to different places, meeting different people, speaking to different organisations and working together has been very fun over the past few days, I'd say.
I think I've learnt a lot, and it was a great opportunity in meeting the designers and the architects and stuff. It was really fun, yeah.
I mean, I'm excited to see the pavilions. I'm super excited to see what the student produced, but also I'm really excited to see how far they progressed since they started. So I'm excited to hear where these students want to take their skills next and what they want to go on to do next, because I think a lot of them have been really inspired by the workshops.
One of the teams had this concept of the kind of cleft, and so the project's all about music. It was quite interesting to see how they translated that very conceptual initial starting point into an actual structural design.
My favourite part, I would say, is probably the developing side and going from having a concept to trying to bring it to life, but also meeting people as well, because it's just really fun because everyone's got the same interests in things and just networking. And I think I'm excited for meeting more of the people in the industry.
Also, doing it with your friends is so much fun.
Yeah.
This is a good experience.